All right, looks like it's picking up a lot of good stuff. Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm gonna do a comparison between the EUREKA and the iRobot Roomba i5 robot vacuum cleaner. Okay, so here's the bottom of each vacuum cleaner. On the iRobot, we got 2 brush rollers, a single side brush, drive wheels. There's where it auto empties through. That's a little flapper to empty out everything in there. Over here on the EUREKA, a single brush roller, drive wheels, 2 side brushes, and a bumper. And the mop pad just simply slides on right here, like this. Okay, so let's go tell the EUREKA to start cleaning. So it's got a really nice app. I was able to tell it to go start cleaning. Okay, now let's tell the iRobot to go start cleaning. Okay, so the EUREKA is doing a good job. Okay, so the iRobot's going to undock itself and it's going to start cleaning also. All right, looks like it's picking up a lot of good stuff. Okay, let's see how much they've picked up. They're just about done cleaning this room. Wow, the EUREKA did a good job. All right, let's take a look at the iRobot. Yeah, there's quite a bit of stuff in there too. Okay, so both of them have completed the task. They're both going back to the dock. They're gonna charge and self-empty. I hope this comparison video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.